Good day, ma'am. We are Group 10 at ang topic nga po namin is Complexity, Collaboration, and Comprehensive Community Initiatives. So, in this presentation nga po, we will discuss the importance of complexity, collaboration, and comprehensive community initiatives, the importance of comprehensive community initiatives, the role of complexity in comprehensive community initiatives, and the role of collaboration in comprehensive community initiatives. So, una nga is, what is complexity? Complexity is the property of a system that has many interconnected parts that interact with each other in a non-linear way. Complex systems are often difficult to understand or predict. Many community problems are complex. For example, poverty, crime, and education are all complex problems that are influenced by a variety of factors. So, pag sinabi ngang complexity, ito ay isang konsepto na kadalasang ginagamit upang ilarawan ang mga sistema na binubuo ng maraming magkakonektang bahagi. Ang mga bahaging ito nga ay nag-i-interact sa isa't isa sa isang hindi direkta o linear na paraan na nangangahulugang hindi maaaring maipredict ang pag-uugali ng buong sistema sa pamamagitan lamang ng pag-unawa sa pag-uugali ng bawat individual na bahagi nito. Madalas na komplikado ang mga problema sa komunidad dahil naapektuhan ito ng iba't ibang mga salik o faktor tulad nga ng kahirapan, krimen at edukasyon. So this factor nga interact with each other in a way that can make it difficult to understand or predict how changes in one factor will affect to others. So ang next naman is, what is collaboration? So, collaboration is the act of working together to achieve a common goal. Collaboration is essential for addressing complex community problems. When different stakeholders come together and share their resources and expertise, they can develop more effective solutions to community problems. So, ang collaboration nga ay pagtutulungan upang makamit ang isang layunin. Ito ay mahalaga sa pag-address sa mga komplikadong problema sa komunidad dahil walang iisang organization o individual ang may sapat na mapagkukunan o kaalaman upang malutas ang mga problemang ito mag-isa. Kapag nagtulungan nga ang iba't ibang stakeholder at nagbahagi ng kanilang mapagkukunan at kaalaman, maaari silang magbuo ng mas epektibong solusyon sa mga problema ng komunidad. Halimbawa, sa isang komunidad is working upang bawasan ang kahirapan. So, maaari silang pagsamasamahin ang mga residente, negosyo, non-profit organization at mga ahensya ng gobyerno upang magbuo ng komprehensibong plano na tumutugon sa mga ugat ng kahirapan. So, ang next nga is, what are comprehensive community initiatives? So, comprehensive community initiatives are a type of community development strategy that take a holistic approach to addressing social problems. CCIs involve collaboration between multiple stakeholders. CCIs focus on long-term change and sustainability. So, ang comprehensive community initiative nga is isa nga itong type ng community development strategy that take a holistic approach to addressing social problems. Ito nga ay naglalaman ng collaboration sa pagitan ng iba't ibang mga stakeholder. Kabilang na nga dito yung mga residents, businesses, non-profit organization at mga ahensya ng gobyerno. Ito nga ay isang paraan ng pagtutulungan ng iba't ibang sektor ng lipunan upang magbigay ng solusyon sa mga suliraning panlipunan sa isang komunidad. Ang layunin nga ng Comprehensive Community Initiative is magbigay ng pangmatagalang solusyon sa mga problema ng komunidad kaysa sa pansamantalang lunas lamang. So, karaniwang kasama nga sa Comprehensive Community Initiatives activities ay tulad nga ng education, job training, housing development, and crime prevention. Ito nga ay upang matugunan ng iba't ibang pangangailangan ng komunidad at magbigay ng komprehensibong solusyon sa mga suliraning panlipunan na kanilang kinakaharap. So, ano nga ba ang nagiging benefits ng comprehensive community initiatives? So, ang comprehensive community initiatives nga can improve the lives of residents in a community by una nga is nakatulong ito to reduce poverty sa pamamagitan nga ng providing job training, educational opportunities, and affordable housing to residents. Ang CCI ay maaari ring makatulong sa pagtaas ng antas ng edukasyon sa pamamagitan niya ng improving the quality of school and pagbibigay ng after-school programs para sa mga bata. And also, ang comprehensive community initiatives can improve public safety by reducing crime and violence. Comprehensive community initiatives can also create jobs by stimulating economic development in a community. And also, CCI can revitalize neighborhoods by improving the quality of housing and infrastructure.
My topic po is about why are CCIS important. First is community challenges are complex and interconnected. Dito po sa part na ito, isang community challenges daw po ay nangangailangan ng masusing pag-aaral at malalim na pag-unawa dahil ang mga ito ay may mga ugnayan at connection sa isa't isa. Second is no single organization or sector can solve these challenges alone. Dito po is sa organization na ito is ang organization daw po is nag-iisa lang, walang sector o anumang organization na kayang solusyonan sa mga hamon ng community sapagkat may iba't ibang sanhi at epekto kaya kailangan ng kolektibong gawain at koordinasyon ng iba't ibang sector tulad po ng pamahalaan, private sector, academics at karamihan po na bawat sector po ay may kanya-kanyang kakayahan, karanasan na maaaring magdala po ng solusyon sa community. Third po is CCIS provide a framework for collaboration and collective action. Dito naman po is nagbibigay ng isang structure para sa pakipagtulungan sa community sa pamamagitan ng mga individual, organization at iba pang stakeholders sa community ay nagtutulungan sa pagbuo at pagsasagawa ng mga programs and projects na makatulong sa pagpabuti ng kalagayan ng community. Pang-apat mo po is CCIS can lead to more effective and sustainable solutions to community problems. Pag sinabi pong can lead more effective and sustainable solutions is maaaring magdala po ng mas effective at pangmatagalang solusyon sa mga suliranin ng community. Sa pamamagitan po ng pagtutulungan ng iba't ibang sector at stakeholders sa community ay gumagawa po sila ng mga strategic and holistic na plano. Next naman po is the role of complexity and CCIS. First is community challenges are complex and interconnected. Dito naman po, pag sinabi pong community challenges are complex and interconnected, maaari pong ang mga hamon daw po sa community ay may komplikadong ugnayan at hindi may ikakaila ng isang issue daw po nito sa community ay maaaring magdulot sa atin na epekto sa iba pang mga aspect ng buhay ng mga tao sa lugar na yun. Second is this complexity can make it difficult to develop and implement effective solutions. Second po is may kalakaran po tayo na isang problem o issue na maaaring magdulot sa atin ng pagiging mahirap para sa isang tao na magbuo at ipatupad ang may epektibo na solusyon. Third, last po is CCIS, it must take complexity into account when designing and implementing their programs. Dito naman po, pag sinabi po na ang mga organization ng civil society ay kailangan isalang-alang ang mga complication at komplikadong kalakaran kapag po sila ay nagde-design at nagpapatupad ng kanilang programs. Yun lang po, ma'am. Maraming salamat.
So, my topic is role of collaboration and CCIS. So, the collaboration play a vital role in the successful of community collaboratives. Collaboration initiatives by bridging together stakeholders from various community sector. So, can leverage the unique strain and uh, res- uh, resources of different organization. This collaborative approach not only enhance the effectiveness of initiative but also foster trust and build the relationship among diverse group within the community. These collaborative effort contribute to create sustainable solution to complex community challenge and promote overall community well-being. So, collaboration is essential for the successful of community collaboration initiatives by uniting stakeholders from different sector within the community. So, community collaboration initiative can combine expertise, resources, and perspective to address conflict, the challenge more effectively. This collaborative approach allowed to for the pooling of diverse strength and experience, leading to innovative solution that can have a lasting impact of community. So the community collaboration essential have a unique ability to bring together stakeholders from the uh, diverse community sector. This inclusive approach involve engage individual, organization, and institution from various fields such as government, non-profit, business, educational institution, and local resident. By uniting these stakeholders, community collaboration initiative can tap into the wide range of expertise, resources, and perspective to address community challenges comprehensively. So, the next one is nasaan na yun? Next is a conclusion. So, the CCIS are the powerful tool for addressing complex community challenge by bridging together stakeholders from all sector of the community. The community collaborative essentials can develop and implemented comprehensive and effective solution to community problems.